Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix iPhone touchscreen not working or responding problem. Is your iPhone touchscreen suddenly not responding to taps or swipes? Don't worry at all. This is a common issue that tends to crop up out of nowhere. Thankfully, you are not alone. Whether the screen is completely frozen or just lagging, there are some pretty handy fixes that you can use to get it working again. That said, let's get started. So first you have to press and release the volume up button. Then you have to press and release the volume down button. And then you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, go to the Settings app. After that, choose General. After that, select iPhone Storage. And then you have to inspect the storage and delete all the useless apps, files, and photos to recover at least 20 GB of free storage. Then you have to open the App Store and tap on your profile located at the top right. After that, scroll down to find all the apps that need to be updated and go ahead to update them all. Then you have to open the Settings app and tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and then go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device, and that's about it. So that's how you can fix an unresponsive iPhone touchscreen quickly and easily. Most of the time, the issue is caused by minor glitches and can be resolved without a repair. If none of these methods work, it may be time to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. Keep your device updated and maintain to avoid touchscreen issues in the future. And I'll catch you up in the next one.